woke up one day, packed tiny snacks, and waddled away. Hey! 5 little ducks on a bouncy pond, splash, splash water all day long. One did a belly flop right off the dock, got stuck in a lily hat like a silly sock. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 4 little ducks came waddling back. Hey! 4 little ducky tails wiggled down the track. 4 little ducks climbed a grassy hill, rolling like marbles, tumbling still. 1 duck zigzag spun round and round, rolled like a meatball right out of town. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 3 little ducks came waddling back. Whoa! 3 little quacky beaks going yakety yak. 3 little ducks found a twisty stream, raced leaf boats in a bubbly gleam. 1 duck shouted, I'm a submarine, glug, 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 and vanished from the scene. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 2 little ducks came waddling back. Quack! 2 little webby feet went slap, a slap, slap. 2 little ducks saw a muddy track, jumped in a puddle, splat, splat, splat. 1 duck slipped with a flippy flop tail, slid to the barn on a mud pie trail. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 1 little duck came waddling back. 1 tiny ducky heart thump, thump in the flap. 1 little duck felt a little small, missed all the buddies, missed them all. Sat on a rock with a sniff and a sigh, counted ants marching as the clouds walked by. Mother duck frowned, where's my crew? Where's my quack pack? Where are you? Filled up her chest, big breast snack, and yelled so loud it shook the track. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 5 little ducks came zooming back. Zoom! 5 little ducky friends pie on a happy stack. 5 little ducks snuggle in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hello! Mother duck whispers, quack, quack, good night. 5 little dreams snoozing till it's light.
Hi friends! Did you like my videos? Please ask your grown-ups to subscribe to my channels.